Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Chats Daily. My name is Eva.
And I'm George. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us.
Today, we have a very useful topic. We're going to talk about the weekend.
That's right. Specifically, we will learn how to make plans for the weekend in English. This is a very common conversation.
Yes, and don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly. This is for beginners, so take your time and relax.
Exactly. Let's start. First, what is the weekend? The weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Right, Saturday and Sunday. And what are plans? Plans are the things you decide to do.
So, weekend plans are the things you're going to do on Saturday and Sunday.
Sometimes you have many things to do. You can say, I have plans.
And sometimes you have nothing to do. You can say, I have no plans.
Let's practice that last one. It's very useful. You can repeat after me. Ready? I have no plans.
Great job. Now, let's talk about some plans. A popular plan is to stay at home.
Yes, just relax at home. You can say, I am going to stay at home.
Let's say that together. Repeat after me. I am going to stay at home.
Wonderful. It's okay to speak slowly. What can you do at home, George?
Well, you can watch a movie, so you can say, I am going to watch a movie.
Right, watch a movie. Let's practice that one. Please repeat. I am going to watch a movie.
You can also read, so you say, I am going to read a book.
Read a book. Let's repeat it. I am going to read a book.
One more thing you can do at home is cook. I am going to cook dinner.
That's a great sentence. You are all doing very well. Now, what if you don't want to stay home? You can go out.
Right, going out can be fun. For example, you can go to the movies. You say, I am going to the movies.
That's a good one. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am going to the movies.
Excellent. Another idea is shopping. You can say, I am going to go shopping.
Go shopping. Let's try that one. Ready? I am going to go shopping.
Perfect. What about food, Eva? People like to eat out.
Of course. You can say, I am going to a restaurant.
To a restaurant. Let's repeat that together. I am going to a restaurant.
You all sound great. So we have staying home and we have going out. What else, George?
A very important weekend plan is visiting people. You can visit your family or you can visit your friends.
That's a lovely plan. So to talk about it, you can say, I am going to visit my family.
Let's practice that. Please repeat. I am going to visit my family.
Very good. And if you are going to see your friends, you say, I am going to visit my friends.
Let's try that one too. Repeat after me. I am going to visit my friends.
Fantastic. Now you know many ways to talk about your plans, but how do you ask someone about their plans?
Yes, the question. This is very important for starting a conversation.
The question is, what are you going to do this weekend?
It sounds a little long. Let's say it very slowly. What are you going to do this weekend?
Let's practice saying it together. Take a deep breath. You can repeat after me. What are you going to do this weekend?
Let's try one more time, a little faster. What are you going to do this weekend?
Excellent. And you can answer with any of the sentences we practiced. For example, I am going to watch a movie.
Or, I have no plans. I will relax on the weekend. The word will is also good for future plans. I will relax.
That's a good example. I will relax. Let's practice that. Repeat. I will relax on the weekend.
Okay, I think it's time for a small conversation practice. What do you think, Eva?
Yes, great idea. I will ask you about your weekend plans, George, and listeners, you can listen carefully.
I'm ready.
Okay. Hi, George. What are you going to do this weekend?
Hello, Eva. This weekend, I am going to visit my family. What about you? What are you going to do?
Oh, that sounds nice. Me? I have no plans. I think I will stay home and read a book.
That sounds very relaxing. Enjoy your book.
Thank you. You too. Have a good time with your family.
See, a very simple and easy conversation. Now, listeners, it is your turn to practice.
I am going to ask you the question, and you can answer speaking out loud. Take your time. Ready?
Okay,
What are you going to do this weekend?
great job. You can practice that question with your friends or family.
Yes. Remember all the sentences we learned today. I am going to stay home. I am going to the movies. I am going to visit my family.
You did a wonderful job listening and practicing today. Learning a new language takes time, and you are doing it.
That's right. The most important thing is to try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It is okay.
So, this week, try to ask someone in English, what are you going to do this weekend?
It will build your confidence. And that's all the time we have for today on English Chats Daily.
Thank you for joining us. Keep practicing, and we will talk to you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.